Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for being here today. In this video, I want to share with you a quick tip or a quick DIY on creating or decorating your journal pages. I know some people have, and I too myself have this problem. I have this white blank page and I don't know where to begin. I don't feel like taking out the washi tapes, or maybe I don't have washi tapes around with me. I do have some markers and pens, and so I thought I would share with you some quick tips, I guess, on how to decorate or jazz up your page a little bit. In this case, I am taking some washi tapes, but I will share with you later on how you can do it with just a simple piece of paper. But basically, you're just creating a straight edge, and then I take a marker. These markers are a set called Rush on Petite, and they were part of stationery selection box several months ago. And anyways, all I'm doing is just creating some lines up and down using the brush marker. You can just finish it with that. You can draw dots, you can draw triangles, squares, you can draw thin lines and thick lines, add different variations. But here with this washi tape, make sure you have washi tape that you know won't rip the paper. Yes, that's the important part, because you don't want the paper to rip. So just go really slowly, and you can see that really nice straight edge right there. It's so crisp and clean, and I really like the look of it. And of course, you don't want to waste the washi tape, so I just added that bit at the bottom of the page. Here I'm just grabbing a thinner piece, because it doesn't really matter how thick or thin the washi tape is. And like I said, I'll show you later on how you can do the same effect with just a simple sheet of scrap paper. In this instance here, or this example, I'm just drawing a couple of different sized circles or dots. And of course you can use different markers. It doesn't have to be brush tip, it could be highlighters that you have lying around. I know a lot of people have the mild liners. You can use that as well. And I think with the mild liners there's like a chiseled edge, so you can use that to create nice lines. So there's the look of that there. And I'm just going to keep on going. I really like trying different angles out, so you can have more of a sharp triangle with the washi tape, or you can do something that's more, maybe you just want a straight edge, straight right across the page. You can do that as well. But yes, as you can see here, it's really simple and easy. I chose markers. I chose the first marker like a peach color because it is nice and light and it's not too bright, but of course you can use whatever you have on hand. And that's pretty much it for the DIY, or it's not really, I mean, a lot of people have been doing this for a long time, so it's nothing really new, but I think it's nice to kind of revisit these simple DIY tips and simple things like this. It's always nice to kind of my memory is so bad, so it's nice. I always think it's a nice reminder to go back to the basics sometimes. And once again here, I'm just looking for a spot to add the washi tape to. I don't want to waste it. So the next Hobonichi video coming up will definitely be a flip through video of my completed October pages in my Hobonichi cousin. I filmed a chatty version, as I always like to be chatty and kind of discuss with you my thoughts behind what I did with a page. And there will also be a quiet version, and the quiet version I don't really talk much, or I don't talk at all actually. I don't even put music. I just let the crinkling of the pages tell its own story. So I'll have both versions up. I just need the time to edit that out, and I will be posting that hopefully soon. So that will be the next Hobonichi video. I'm going to try my best to also film, because I do want to share with you what I want to use for 2021. I say want because I'm still not 100% sure what I'm going to be doing. I shared with you months ago my work planner, my B6 work planner, and although I like it very much, I like the size of the B6, I'm still not comfortable with the fact that the monthly view, the month on 2 pages, are sandwiched in between the weekly pages. And I'll have to go into more detail later on, but I thought I would give it a go for a couple of months, and I told myself, oh, maybe, you know, I'll get used to it, but I'm not used to it at all. So I think I really want to change that for the new year. I just haven't decided what planner to use. I think I'm going to stick with the B6 size. B6 Slim might be too small and the A5 is just too big. So if you have recommendations on a really simple B6 sized planner, please let me know. It does have to have a month on 2 page and a week on 1 page type of format. I'm not a huge fan of the vertical weeks format, although I guess I could make it work. But anyways, I'm just blabbing on. I am definitely, I just need to think about what I want to do for 2021, and then I'll definitely post a video sharing with you that my thought process behind that. And I think that's pretty much it. You see here I did like the purple triangles, and this is what I mean. You don't need washi tape at all to create this look. You just need a straight edge. It could be a ruler, it could be a scrap piece of paper. I'm just using this sticker, the back of a sticker page, and just grab a marker and just have fun with it. Here my lines are very crooked because I'm at a weird angle. I'm trying not to be inside the frame of the camera, so it's kind of crooked, but I think it turned out really, really nice. And I think when there are days when I don't know what to do or I don't feel like doing anything, I'll end up doing something like this, because I end up usually taking my washi tapes and pre-decorating the pages in advance, and I think this is something that I can add to that. I can grab my stickers, my washi tape, and this couple of markers and decorate that way. Here I'm trying to, or attempting to, show you how I'm using the dot markers to create a straight edge, but it's really difficult with this one hand. My camera is my cell phone. So it was really hard to do that one-handed. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this really quick video. Thank you so much for watching. I also really appreciate the donations on Ko-fi as well. I will be posting something very special there soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.